video is going to help you learn how to add Epic Games on desktop. If you want to get the Epic Games launcher on your desktop, then first open a web browser. Go to the search box and type in epicgames.com and search. This will open up store.epicgames.com website. Once you open it up, click on the download button at the top right hand corner. The Epic installer will start downloading. Once the installer is completed downloading, click it open. Now follow the on-screen prompt and install Epic Games on your desktop. After the installation is completed, you'll be able to see Epic Games Launcher icon right on your desktop. Double-click the app icon to launch open the app. That was how you can easily add Epic Games on your desktop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from Gaming Basics. I'll be back with more of these tutorial videos again. Thanks for watching.